hello, other wig companies, get your life. Make the wig caps bigger. We can always tighten them up, boo. But you can't make the mugs bigger. You understand? Thank you. What is goody, y'all? It's your girl, Eva K, and I'm back at it one more day. Hey. What is good, y'all? What it do? What y'all doing? Y'all already know what I'm doing. I'm bringing you some more tea-boo. Yes. Now, if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my thumbnail. My name is Eva K. I love hair. I love makeup. I love wigs. I love real hair. I love fake hair. If you like those things too, sis, I hope you will consider subscribing and becoming a part of my fam, boo. All right, so today we are reviewing a wig from Rongduoyi. That's what I'm gonna go with, okay? What y'all think? The company reached out to me and asked me if I would review one of the units, and I picked this Bomb 613. Also in the bag, they included a little net. This is used to tie your hair up, like you know, the way it comes. All wigs come in a net. So to preserve the luster of the hair and everything else, if you're gonna wear it to bed, things like that, then this would come in handy. It's really cool, and it shows you how to use it on the back. So thank you, Rongduoyi. You like how that rolled off the tongue, didn't it? I know you did, girl. Or guy. I be trying not to forget about y'all. All right, y'all, so let's get into this slay, baby. So this is the parting space, and it is synthetic. It is a synthetic unit. This is the parting space. The lace is really, really super soft, and the hairline is not all that bad, y'all. The retail price for this is, if I'm not mistaken, like $35.99. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description box and a link to go purchase the wig as well. But yo, this hairline, check it. $35. I paid more for this unit, I believe, and this mug is definitely nowhere near as good a hairline as this. Anyway, it has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the top of the head, 1 comb, no comb in the back. Okay, that I do believe is a first for me. And it has the adjustable straps in the back. All right, so I'm gonna take this one off, put this one on, and let's get into it. Okay, so this is the unit. Y'all, look at those curls. Baby, baby! Yeah. I'm about that life. Look at all that lace though, guys. Look at that. You can pluck the crap out of this if you decided to. But do y'all notice? Look at how pre-plucked the hairline is though. Check it. Like, you can literally see how the hairline is plucked. I love that. I love that. Love that. It is 26 inches long. I'm sorry, 24 inches. Let me get it right, boo. It is a 22.5 stretched medium cap. This wig is sold on Amazon. It says it is heat friendly, and you can use up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Density is 150. This is a 13x3 parting space. Okay, let's put this babe on, y'all. I'm so ready to put it on and get it working on my head. Oh, stay tuned. Oh my gosh, yo, like, I am loving this color. Now, y'all, my head is 22.5 inches. It's so much room in this cap. The reason why it looks, you know, super tight is because I literally had to, let me just show y'all how tight it is. How tight I had to make it. Look at how much of this wig I got back here. I had to tighten this mug up so much because it's so freaking big. I love that. Hello, other wig companies, get your life. Make the wig caps bigger. We can always tighten them up, boo. But you can't make the mugs bigger. You understand? Thank you. Yeah, let's customize it, y'all. You ready? Let's do this then. It's so soft. It's definitely a silky texture, but it's not super shiny. Y'all, I need somewhere to go, cool. She is long, she is silky, and she is synthetic, so of course everybody knows that she is going to get tangled. You know, that is pretty much a given if you have a long synthetic unit. I'm gonna finish combing her out and I'll be back. Y'all, I have not put any glue on this unit, but y'all could not tell me that that's not growing from my scalp. Like, so you can see that without gluing this unit down, it's pretty much sitting flush on this part of my head. Now on the sides, we are definitely flapping, as Miss Chrissy likes to say. We flapping. But yeah, this up here though is laying flush to my scalp. So now I'm just gonna add some mousse. This is like Dollar Tree mousse, just to try to tame this hair some, because I have lots of flyaways. And let's comb her through a little. Oh, that's so much better. Now she's really laying flat. Ooh, baby. It is not shedding. Y'all, I have not gotten one strand of hair shedding from this unit as of yet. Now let's talk about the part. That's where I was going. I wanted to see what it would look like if I use some more of that parting space that is available in the wig. So I have the spot here where I can part it. Let's see. That's not bad. You can part it off to the side. I would definitely pluck it. Even if it was in the middle, I would pluck it before I wore it out. Let's try the other side, y'all. If you want it any deeper than that, because you can customize this unit. Look at all of this though, y'all. Like, look at all of this, this customizable area. Y'all, she is really giving me mermaid vibes, like the length of it in this wave pattern. Okay, this is all of her to the front. All right, this is all of her to the back, to the side. This is all of her to the back from behind. I'm 5'10" for reference. This is her to the other side. So if you have Amazon Prime, hello sis, free shipping. What? So that is gonna wrap it up, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching my review today. If you're interested in a unit, I will leave all of the information down. Y'all make sure to go check Rongduoyi out, RDY, on Amazon. They have a wide variety of great wigs. They have braided wigs, they have lace front wigs, they have wigs with bangs, they have every color you can imagine in wigs, and they are affordable, sis. So again, I'm gonna leave their information down below. Thank you so much to Rongduoyi for sponsoring this video. I do thank you guys. I love you all, and I pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me for the next review, for the next video, for the next slay. Don't forget to check your girl out on Instagram. That is Eva_K_slays. And I will see you all next time. I love y'all. What? Oh, shoot. Oh. Okay. Woo!